What's up, guys? Today I installed the latest Mayhem firmware update and I'm going to show you a new app that just came out recently. So we're going to be looking at this cool backsplash first, but let's take a look at this app called FPV Detect. Now I have not seen others upload a video on this, so I thought I would be somebody to show you guys what it looks like. So we can go to the receive section. You can see we have quite a few apps. If you've seen my earlier videos, you may be familiar, and this is just for receiving stuff. But today we're looking at FPV Drone Detect. So that's up here, right over here, FPV Detect. So it's basically something intended to help detect drones. Now, considering I do a lot of privacy-related content on this channel, because after all, it is a basic human right, we're talking about the most basic of all human dignities that exist, and especially in this age of AI where data collection allows for the broad spectrum manipulation of the population, I think it matters. So, FPV Detect, how might that help your privacy? Well, let's say there's a drone and you have a nosy neighbor, or you just have somebody who is snooping on you. Well, you might want to know if there's a drone around. Now, I do want to mention right off the bat that this can cause some false positives. So things like Wi-Fi 6 routers and things like that. But consider if you're out in the field, literally out in a field where there aren't other potential false positives. Well, this might be handy. Let's test it out. Let's see if we can detect a drone. So here it's scanning through all the channels that are known to operate for drones. So you can see it scanning through. Look at that, it just beeped. So you get a beep, and when it detects a drone, it locks in on the frequency. So you can actually plug in that frequency if you want to try and decode or stream that video footage. You could potentially do that. Now, there's not an option to do that on the Portapack at this time, but maybe we'll look at that sometime in the future. Wanted to show you this app. I thought it was super cool, and it's just another thing that could potentially protect your privacy. Now, you don't have to go with the auto scan. That's just what I had it on, and that's actually the default setting. So you can see I use this to move down. I could move over and just check band A. Look at that. Looks like band A. Let's take a look at another band. And you can hear it making noise. And it's clicking, it's going beep, 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 beep as it's scanning through. It's looking for a strong signal on one of the channels that are commonly operating on an FPV or a first-person view drone. So basically, it's a video drone detection. At least that's the intent. Look at that. We ended up finding another. Now, like I said, there can be possible false positives, but I thought we would take a look anyhow. And there's possibly false positives where I'm at, but it's just how it works. Wanted to show it. Thought it was pretty cool. I actually like having this a lot on my Portapack. And the Portapack's a really fun toy to have, or tool, depending how you use it. Can be a lot of fun. Looks like it's not finding anything on band F. Then there's band R. So you can go through the bands yourself manually. Or, and it's not showing anything here, but auto scan again. We're back on auto scan. So it's automatically going through all the channels that are commonly used by FPV drones. So this could be yet another tool in your toolbox for potentially recognizing a drone in your area. Hope this is useful to you. Make sure to like the video, share it, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this cool feature. I thought it was pretty cool. Now, like I said, there can be false positives, but hey, even if there's false positives, when you have a positive, that's all that really matters, right? And it has a confidence, it even tells you here. The confidence of it is 99%. And it also has the sound that signals when it's detected something for you. So there's a difference sometimes between a false positive that may have more noise, but maybe we'll delve into this more in a future video. Make sure to like, share the video. It helps the channel out a lot. Make sure to follow the channel so you don't miss anything in the future. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys soon in another video on how to protect your security and privacy.